So when the IRS cuts you a deal on your back taxes, it has this expectation that for all your taxes going forward, you're going to be a perfect taxpayer. And that's kind of the crux of the issue with today's question. Okay. CNC status updates. Here's the context, and I'm wondering if anyone here has gone through this. Please be kind. My family has been through some really hard times. So they kind of lay out a nice timeline here. Husband and I are currently in approved CNC through 2022. Okay. So they filed their 2022 tax return in 2023. Sounds like they got in CNC in 2023, right? Covering their previous balances from the tax year 2022 and previous. Had some awful personal things happening. Ended up owing again for tax years 23 and 24. In October, we got a final notice for tax year 23 and a first notice for tax year 24. Okay. So in October, I'm guessing when they say final notice, I'm guessing they don't mean like the LT11 or CP90. I'm guessing they're probably referring to the CP504, and a first notice for tax year 24, they're probably referring to the CP14. I sent in an updated 433F, that's the collection information statement for wage earners, and a self-employed, and a letter explaining our request to have the 2 new years added to our CNC status. When did you do this? When did you do this is my question. About 2 to 3 weeks ago, we received a letter from the IRS saying they received our request and were reviewing it, that during the review, no new collection actions would occur. Yesterday, I wake up to see 2 certified letters coming from the IRS and my USPS informed delivery. So they're freaking out because they got a scary letter. They got the scary, according to them, a scary notice, a final notice, right? Which is like Levyville almost. But then, so they sent a response to the IRS showing why they should still be in CNC. According to the IRS, they're going to review their request, but then they see 2 certified letters coming from the IRS. Okay, my guess is these 2 certified letters are the CP504s for tax year 24. Okay, one sent to you, right, and one sent to your husband. Okay, that's how they do it. The joint return. I'm guessing those letters were generated kind of in the system to be sent out before the IRS made this determination here, saying they received your request and were reviewing it. I think something got missed. It kind of missed each other, right? So although the IRS says they're not going to do any new collection actions, the CP504 had already been for 2024 had already been tagged to be generated and sent out. Either that or somebody made a mistake here and didn't press the button to freeze the collections notices on the account. Either way, it seems like you're going to be okay. Okay. Like I've said in other videos, that CP504 is not the be all end all. They're going to have to give you your CDP rights first before they actually pursue forced collection activities such as bank levies, wage garnishments, etc. Okay, I would be shocked if they sent the final notice with CDP rates without having given you a response to the submitted 433F that you submitted along with your explanation why you should still be CNC'd. If that happens, well, then your best course of action in general is to request that CDP hearing, take that 433F to appeals, and let them make their determination. Folks, if you owe the IRS or your state at least $10,000 of back taxes, or you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns, you qualify for a free consultation here at Choice Tax Relief. Give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, and we will reach out to you. I have some other videos here on the left-hand side of the screen about CNC, currently non-collectible status, for your education and enjoyment. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.